Alright, this is my axial trail honcho. Let's say it's been a bit of a modification. I used a Tamiya Ford f-350 body. The tow truck arms are off of an old Tonka truck I had, or an old Nyland Tonka truck, and the snow plow on the front is homemade. So let's hopefully, I ain't using the blade today. I'll get a video of that some other time. But here's a little test run of how everything works. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm sorry for the camera being a little shaky and around the bot, but I'm doing my best with only one hand on the control and one hand on the camera. I'm pretty new to this stuff. Alright, that's it for now. My battery's almost dead and I don't want to kill it. So, hope you guys enjoyed.